Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the check-in reminder on the Webnovel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile icon next to the Explore button at the lower right corner of the screen, and go to the Settings section. Click to the Notifications button, and here you can find the check-in reminder option, and just tap to the next circle, and check-in reminder is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.